Hey math kids, today we're going to talk about writing surveys. And on the screen right now are some general guidelines for question writing. So the first one, keep questions simple and clear. Um, the easier it is to understand your question, the more correctly a person can express how they feel about that question. Also, only expect one response per question. The next one, ask specific questions instead of general. Once again, the more general your question is, the more interpretive it is. And when you're doing a survey, often you want to know something very specific. And so writing your questions in that way might help you get the data that you're hoping for. The next one, choose between structured versus unstructured questions. Um, Unstructured questions are useful when you're trying to explore different possibilities, possibly even on how to write a more specific survey. So maybe it's like a pre-survey. Structured questions definitely are good when you're wanting those specific type of answers and specific types of data. Keep the tone neutral. If our own biases show up in the questions we're asking, it might lead people to answer a certain way, and then our data is not very good. And then be aware of personal questions. So things like, how much do you weigh? What is your gender? What is your sexual orientation? What is your religious affiliation? Um, that's considered sensitive information, and if you don't absolutely need it, it's not a good idea to ask questions like that. If you need additional help, please come to Math Lab. Until then, calculator.